Okay, guys, today we're going to talk about the Great Schism. So if you remember, we are studying the Byzantine Empire, and the Great Schism occurred in 1054, and it was a split. That word schism means a split or a division. You can see in the picture there, the church is going to break off into two different branches: Roman Catholicism and Eastern Orthodox. Now, I'm going to lay everything out for you with the notes. Okay, so you might need to make a chart for yourself on the back of the paper, organize them however you want, and then we are going to have to talk about this together just to make sure you really understand what happened and that you can organize the qualities of the Eastern Orthodox Church and the Roman Catholic Church. So your topic today is the Great Schism. So the church split into two parts, and they do this because they disagreed and they fought about many things. Okay? Now they do agree about some things, but in this case, the differences are what tore them apart. All right, so religion in the Byzantine Empire is called Eastern Orthodox Christianity, okay, sometimes called Greek Orthodox, okay? So in the Byzantine Empire, in Constantinople, they practiced Eastern Orthodox Christianity. Religion in the Western Roman Empire, so this is everything from the Italian peninsula to the west, is going to be called Roman Catholic Christianity. Now, if you can picture your map, you'll remember the Italian peninsula where Rome is. That's in the western part of the empire, Roman Catholic. Eastern Orthodox is in the eastern part. So if we understand our geography, we are in great shape. Both churches are Christians, and they both use the Bible as the basis for their faith. Okay, so they're going to believe the same basic things. There's just going to be a couple of differences in how they get to do those things. But these churches fought over the differences. So let's talk about some of these differences here. Oh, let me move this over. Hang on. All right. So Roman Catholic services are going to be performed in Latin. Now, again, our geography makes sense because what language did they speak in Rome? They spoke Latin. Eastern Orthodox services were in Greek. Now, if you think about it, Constantinople is located on the Balkan Peninsula. That's exactly where Greece is located. So it makes sense that they are speaking Greek. Liturgy. Liturgy is a word for what language the religion is being performed in. So the words and format of a Christian service, church service. So under your vocab, write down liturgy in that definition. The Roman Catholic liturgy, the language of liturgy, was in Latin. The Eastern Orthodox liturgy is in Greek. Okay. So, Roman Catholic Church has a pope. Eastern Orthodox Church has patriarchs. Pope, patriarchs. Sorry that this is cut off. Bear with me. All right. The church had power over the government with the Roman Catholics. The government had power over the church with Eastern Orthodox Christianity. Now, when we come together after lunch, we will make a chart for all of this stuff. Roman Catholic priests are not allowed to marry. Oops. And Eastern Orthodox priests are allowed to marry. Okay? And the idea is that Roman Catholic priests, they're married to God, so they can't be in love with somebody on earth if they're in love with God. Icons are pictures of saints and Jesus used in church. Okay, these could be statues, pictures, drawings, whatever. And they were only used in the Eastern Orthodox Church. Okay, so here are some more icons. You need to be able to understand what an icon is. So that was one of your vocabulary words. Just try to keep that in mind. The Greek Orthodox Church used icons, and the Roman Catholic Church did not use icons. Okay? The differences in the two types of Christianity begin to grow. Finally, there was a permanent division in the church. So they kind of tell each other, we're going to go our separate ways. There's going to be a split, a schism. The division was called the Great Schism. Okay, the Great Divide. So if you look at our map here, right, the Catholic Church is based out of Rome. So everywhere that's orange, they would practice Catholicism. Constantinople is right here in the Byzantine Empire, and they're going to practice Greek Orthodox Christianity. Okay, so answer the question, what language was used by the Byzantine Church? Or the Eastern Orthodox Church? Or the Greek Orthodox Church? Okay, the correct answer is C, Greek. All of the following are characteristics of the Western Church except A, it was centered in Constantinople. That's true. B, Latin was the dominant language. Oh, I'm sorry. A is not true. The Western side. So that's the correct answer is A. Yep, A is the correct answer. Sorry. Which of the following represents the best description for the word patriarch? Okay, it's D, the head of the Byzantine Church. Christianity in the Western Church is going to be Roman Catholic. We'll go over these together. Try to answer the rest by yourselves. Make sure you write these three things down. What are the two Christian churches called? Two things they disagreed about, and what this is called. Make sure that's in your notes. I'll be checking them after lunch. Okay. All right, that's it. It's a short lesson today. We'll talk about this in person.